Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the background image on your Wix website. So first of all, you have to go to your manage sites. So manage.wix.com account site. You will then see my sites, and now you want to go over to the website on which you like to change the background image. Make sure to click on select and edit site, and you will then be sent over to the Wix dashboard. Now what you want to do is to simply click on edit site right here, and you will then be sent over to the editor. Now it will take some time to load, and once you are there, you want to scroll down over to the part where you like to change the image. Let's say it's going to be this part right here. So the strip background, you are gonna click on that and then click on change strip background. Now for example right here, it's still the same process even though it's a different strip. Click on change strip background and then click on image. Of course, you can also choose any of the images, but if you like to upload a free image, you will have to click on this right here. So image, you can then upload media and upload from your computer or drag and drop files. I don't have any background, so I will be choosing an image from the media from Wix. And let's say I'm going with this one right here. When I click on change background, now the background has been changed. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.